Hey all, welcome to the next episode of Private Equity. So this session is the fourth session. Rest all three sessions are done. We will in this video we will add this three session link as well. So at last we have leave our session on private equity waterfall. So now we'll discuss how it's work into the real exam with real example. So real example includes about the calculations, about the example, if the performance is strong or low or in the mid size. So let's start with the example. So first we discuss about the key component of this waterfall structure. So in waterfall structure, there are three main important component are the preferred return, catch-ups and carried interest. So first we'll read the about the theory part. So preferred return get a minimum return example 8% before GP receive carried interest. If the fund does not exceed the return, GP does not get the additional. So in last session we discussed about the preferred return. So it is 8% already given. So how we relate with our graph. So if you see the first image which is white background, so the initial investment has done for example 100 crore and the 100 crore are returned to the LP and GP according to their ratio. Then the preferred return to the is preferred return is some part of 8% return to the LP. So preferred return after return on investment given to the LP. Now what is catch up? Catch up is once the LP receive the preferred return, receive most of the next profit is catch up. That agreed share is example 20%. So whatever the after giving return on investment and preferred return to LP, so whatever the catch up part is highlighted in the green is given to the GP according to the provision. What provision they have decided between when the fund and firm has uh, agreement has been done. So on this basis the catch up has goes to the GP. Then whatever the profit remain is divided into the 80 into 20 in this split ratio. So this is the graph that you can easily understand how it is work. So GP receives the share of profit usually 20% after the LP get preferred return. The remaining profit is split into the 80 and 20%. So in next graph you can see the next image you can see the capital. Here the management fee. So somebody will ask you how management fee go. So one by one, step by step will go. The capital is written, then the preferred return has been written, then the management fee has been done. Whatever the hurdle rate, according to hurdle rate, if it cross, then GP receive the catch up and the profit is divided into 80-20. Then according whatever 20% after in profit sector of 20% is given to GP, and whatever the profit remain after giving to GP then it directly goes to the LP. So now this is a just theory part and we explain with the graph. So in next episode we'll discuss about in next session we'll discuss about the practical example with three types, with a simple example, the strong performance of the fund or negative performance of the fund or the stable performance. So we have designed that into the Excel file how this academic calculated this theory part into the practical way. Please be available for the next session. We will release this session shortly. Thank you for watching. Will we meet you in the next session. Thank you.